Step into the Kia 2019 Sportage SX Turbo. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 240 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission and Bluetooth. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.